Hadian ki jingja accident ka bakha kha ha ki banta ba pher jong ka district ki Pulit Ri Bhoi ki la shim khya banwanra ya ka jing shngain ha ka yat ka yeng hasurok ba. Nado upanai nai lur ba risau ki Pulit ki lala ban pelong ki jing khan ra persha ya ka jing nya kali klem jingkit kli. Kunthop ya ka jing dik kyat ha banyak kali. Bat ya ka jing pen kala dore ki kali kata nado ka batte eki light pen thaba. Ka jing pendaj eki silencer pen sawa bat ki wei bat la penshitom ru eki try kali da ka badan kuna. Mentapan ki Pulit ka Ribhoi ka la shim ya ka sienjam ka bakrau. Kata kumno ban hikai ban yad eki kali hasurok ban shngain. Ya kan ka jing hikai ka balatip kum ka behavioral awareness on the right lane flying of vehicles. Lapelong hakalai po trik risau ha umsning bypass. Kani ka ka sien ka bathamai ban hikai ki nong nya kali kumno ban nya ha ka rukam ka bawanra ya ka jing shngain jing nong lek nong wan. Bat ki kali motor hasurok ba.
And it has started yielding
Superintendent
us
of
results,
Police VS
especially
Rathor ulapan pa baka
the
jing temu
illegal
jong kan
parking
ka
of
jing pelong ya kan ka jing hikaya ki pat ba kham tam ki nong nya trok bakin nya ha ka benta ka surok na kalyang ka diang ne left lane khanang banam penthot ikiwai ki kali ki balit kham kloy banyat ling ba ka right lane ula ong ru banadu barni hat hadu jorabat ka surok kala kelut ka jing penyeng be an ki trok ha ki benta ka surok nadu balakhan rai ki kali Urathor ulakadoro baka diga jingpelong ya kadiga jihikai kam day tangi
and
ki
it has
patba
started yielding
hendrei ru
us
ikipulit
results,
nong nya kali
especially
khamtam kitu ki
the
banya
illegal
kali VIP badlong kum ki nuksa ha ka jingat kali bat ban hikai ki patba halor ka jingdan kam ban buat ki an traffic.
we have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat Jorabat stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two, maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway. And we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first, and then right lane first, and then in a zigzag manner. And some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal, we believe, is more effective, and that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best uh, option to choose, and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss, but at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable, and will continue to do it. The state government has made it very clear they want to stop this VIP culture, and we are very serious about it. We have got strict instructions from the government and the police headquarters. That's why you might have seen in our recent checkings, we check each and every vehicle, irrespective of whether it's a VIP traveling in the vehicle or a poor person traveling in the vehicle. So any violation by these vehicles will be action will be taken against them as per law. And at the same time we are briefing our police drivers also, because normally when the VIP moves there is a police escort, pilot vehicles. So we are telling them to take a pledge: do not overtake any vehicle from wrong side, that is the left side. So if you have right of way, because if you are moving faster, you have the right to go through the right lane. So go, maybe blow horn if required, or night time use your headlights to indicate to the front driver to give way. And if they don't give way, then you persist. So while driving we need to be a bit patient. We see obviously on roads a lot of drivers, they are impatient, they cannot wait even for 2 3 seconds. So the ideal behavior is blow a horn, give an indication that you want to overtake, and wait for 3 4 5 seconds, see the front vehicle's reaction, and be persistent. So if this culture is imbibed over a period of time, the drivers will also know that the moment somebody gives a horn from behind, they have to step aside, move to the left lane, and let the vehicle which is asking for pass to move forward in the right lane. So even police drivers, we are telling them, do not overtake from wrong side. Use siren only if absolutely required. Do not use sirens near hospitals or schools, which disturbs children and patients. And siren, see, we are an emergency response force. Sometimes we can't help it. Sometimes we have to rush, respond in the nick of the time, because uh, if we reach early, we may save a life, we may save people from being a victim of a criminal offense. So sometimes we don't have a choice, we have to rush, but we'll try to avoid it as much as possible. But still, even if there is an emergency, it should not happen that while rushing to that place, we come do an accident on the way. That is absolutely avoidable. And we are briefing our drivers on a daily basis. All the OCs, ICs, police stations, outposts, they have been directed to personally brief all the drivers and personally ensure that they also follow all the traffic rules. At the same time, we have directed our police vehicles, whenever they travel for any case or any other duty, if they see any violation of traffic rules on the way, stop, brief the driver, don't do it. But still, if they are adamant, take a photo and issue each challan on the spot. So, doing one team checking at one place will not give us that much more results. But if 50 vehicles moving in the district for various duties, they stay alert and vigilant, I think the effectiveness will go much higher. Also, we are requesting people, when they see that traffic violations are being done, record a video, take a photograph, send us on WhatsApp. Our police control room numbers are given on our Facebook page. Use it, and we assure you that we'll take action.
Very unsafe.
Unsafe like this, na?
Especially in national highway.
Okay.
Because we have to go a bit faster, in a bit faster speed.
Okay.
So we feel very unsafe. The
Like
movement
this,
is
na?
not
Like
that good.
zigzag.
Yeah, in
But
zigzag.
if the trucks are moving on the left side, how you feel?
On the left side, if they keep moving slowly, then it's okay.
Yes,
It's okay. But they should not, keep stagnant and cook on the way. That is not
And
that
how
good.
about River Police? How they are working?
Shillong police, Nongpo police are doing great.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Meghalaya police
Thank
are
you
the
so
great
much.
in India.
Abang dia pakai jengat je, kalau lain buat gini tok dia banyak nak kena lain tok semua.
इसलिए वजह से कहते हैं हम सुखी
भाई आपका गाड़ी कौन सा लेन में चलना है?
राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट साइड में। आपको क्या पब्लिक को क्या बोलना है? आप अभी एक्सरसाइज हुआ मिला है,
अच्छा है
तो क्या ट्रैफिक रूल के बारे में
ट्रैफिक रूल में अच्छा है
पब्लिक को रेस्पेक्ट करना है कि नहीं?
हाँ ठीक
हाँ? करना है ना। और स्पीड आपको क्या कितना जाना है? 40।
Bhoi tu kalau mungkin apa pelan, so kali ni pada banyak dia di drop jadi begini kan left. Makin suki kali kita pajak ni pajak biar banyak ni sekarang right side kan. Tak kata kila kit kaya tu kan ni mah kila pen tak kan long kintip long kibom tip kintip no kumno pada banyak kalian kumno apa yang dapat kila lihat kami.
आज ही ज़रूर पता चला, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हाँ।
हमेशा ट्रक लेफ्ट साइड चलना चाहिए और जो भी स्पीड लिमिट 40 रख के चलना चाहिए, इससे एक्सीडेंट कम होता है। और रिभोई पुलिस जो कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, तो आगे भी करते रहे। धन्यवाद।
Itu baru yang kalian tahu.
Dia. Pakai speed.
Speed saya itu kau
Ya kaya ka kubor na si ba akin buram ka bayde ba ka rekom ya kali surok ba. Song no kitong
setengah deh dalam itu deh.
buram.
Banyak buram markeliang itu. Berdiri itu.